me how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, ONESMARTFROs, it's me, Gina, and I'm here with probably the most randomest video that I've ever filmed. And it's also the most unthought out video that I've ever filmed. But about 2 or 3 weeks ago, FabFitFun reached out to me. And this is always one of those subscription boxes that I always wanted to try, but I'm like, I don't know if I want to try it enough with my money. And so when they reached out to me, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to take that. So I have this FabFitFun box, and it is their fall box. So let me open it and see what's in here. I have been stalking my apartment people, trying to make sure that I get this box because I was really scared they might leave it on my doorstep, and because it's FabFitFun, somebody will see it and be like, ooh, let me take that. So here we are. So I'm about to get this box. So this is what the box looks like. Again, this is their fall box. Dang, it's got another thing. So you know, this box, I think it only comes out quarterly. It's not like a monthly subscription. It's like a quarterly subscription. You're supposed to get a ton of stuff for stupid cheap. The box is overall about $50, and you're supposed to get a bunch of stuff for that price. So this is what the box looks like. And inside I have a HelloFresh America's #1 meal cook. I got an $80 gift card, so I can actually use this for a set, and plus $20 off your first 4 deliveries. Definitely gonna use that because y'all know I don't be cooking anymore. FabFitFun, fall in love with the FabFitFun. I'm gifting you $15 off your first FabFitFun box. That's $200 worth of products presented to you for $34.99. Redeem a coupon code, expires 10/25. You will be charged $34.99 for your first box and enrolled into a seasonal subscription for $50. Cancel anytime. All prices cannot be combined with other offers. Okay, so the first thing I have, and I don't see anything that tells me the retail price of this, so I'm just gonna put the actual retail price down in the description box. But the first thing I have is the Human Plus Kind Skincare with a Conscience. It is their body souffle, which looks like this. Apply as needed to soothe and moisturize skin. So I guess it's like a hand lotion, and it's supposed to be vegan and cruelty free and all natural. And then I also have this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Instant Visible Repair for protects from heat styling, which looks like this. I don't know how much this will work on my hair, but we shall see. Then they have this aromatherapy deep roller massage. It's perfume. It smells herbally, so nothing a strong scent or anything like that, but it looks like this. I have this Copper Plus Aria Exfoliating Sugar Scrubs. Ooh, these smells good. This smells good. And they just look like this. They're like little cubes of sugar. Then we have this Cosmetic 1X Vitamin C Crystal. This looks like just a skin lotion. Mix crystals and shake with any of your favorite cosmetic products and apply to face. I'm supposed to mix this. I don't know what I'm supposed to mix it with. Then we have this Gourmet Wood Ceramic Cheese Board gift set. I don't think I'm going to open this, but it looks like this. And we also have a salt grinder, pepper and salt grinder. That's interesting. And then the last thing that came in my box, I thought it would be a little bit more stuff than this, but is this Abundance, Balance, Wellness Seeker, Live Travel Yoga Mat. So also got a yoga mat. So that's all the things that I received in this box. I will put the price listed down below so you guys can check out the price of that. I don't want to open this, but it's just a yoga mat. So I'm gonna leave that like that. And so yeah, so that is what all came in my box. I guess one of the things that I'm most interested in trying is this sugar rub, as well as this lotion. I guess I'm not the most excited about. I am excited about this coupon, this $80 coupon. But yeah, I think from my folks box, I'm not mad. I think as you order more, as you subscribe to it more, you get it more tailored of what you like and things like that. I do have a coupon code if you're interested in doing the FabFitFun box, and each box is originally $49.99 but has a value of over $200. So you can get your first box for $10 off if you use the code SMARTFRO. And yeah, that's all I got. Like I said, this was a very random video. This was just in the mail. I knew they were sending it to me. I just didn't know when, and I was excited to try it. So it made me, this is one of those things where it's like, I know it's not the best fit for my channel, but it's something that I've always wanted to try. So I was like, I'm not gonna turn this down to try a box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in trying the FabFitFun box, make sure to use my coupon code and save yourself $10. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So you really made it to the end of the video. You the real MVP. But because you made it to the end of the video, I know you like my content. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other uploads. Also, make sure you check out these other 2 videos that I posted on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching.